are almost a 3 years business for now. I cannot say enough great things about June Walker. She's the driving force behind all my Google marketing and SEO strategies. And her expertise has truly transformed my business thanks to her hard work and innovative approach. Invisa Hair have seen remarkable growth in online visibility, customer engagement, and sales. So John's dedication, attention to details, and deep understanding to digital marketing are unmatched. I am incredibly grateful to have her doing all my SEO and marketing and social media. Really, thank you.